Hi, I'm Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here with Jamie Sharp of Rivers Bend Bike Shop in downtown Chillicothe, and we're here to talk to Jamie about his shop, how he got started, and where he is today. So thank you for joining me.
No problem. Thanks for coming.
Yeah. So tell me the story behind Rivers Bend.
Rivers Bend was started in '79. That's when Phil Slattery started the name because the river bends right over there.
Sure.
And he started a bike shop on Water Street, so he came up with that name. Steve Steele bought it from him in '79. I went to work for Steve in '79. Worked there until '87. Got a factory job, life, kids, all that stuff. Went back to that shop on Main Street in 2000, 2001 for a couple of years. My shop was actually called Rent and Roll. I started up on the flood wall in 2008. In 2000 and maybe late 2009, Steve said that this building was available and that I could have it. So when I moved back over there, the sign was in the basement that said Rivers Bend. I thought, well, if nobody else cares, I'm going to put that sign back up and I'm going to change my name to Rivers Bend. So that's where we're at today, 13 years later.
Super cool. So you've been able to bring it back, keep the nostalgia, stay downtown.
Yep.
You like being downtown. And you recently purchased this building and moved over here. So tell us a little bit about that.
Moved over here in February of last year.
Okay.
Bought it in the fall, was 19? Bought it in the fall, did a lot of work, well,
A ton of work.
Got ready, got moved in February of 19.
Okay. Super cool because you basically saved a building that could have been torn down.
I like the building. I love the building, but I hated to leave that corner.
Yeah.
There's a lot of memories on that corner. It's been a shop since, I think, 70. I think it was Couriers from 70 or 71 to 79.
Okay.
And then it was Rivers Bend from late 79, early 80 to, I think, 97, I think.
Okay.
It's quite a while. It's been a bike shop. And somebody told me that an older gentleman come in there and said that that was a bike shop back in the 40s, which that I don't know. But
Yeah.
I know Dan DeLong's bike shop was right there across the alley.
Okay.
That was back in the 40s or 50s.
So currently, you're the only bike shop in town, right?
Yeah.
And so I would imagine you probably reach people outside of Chillicothe.
Yeah. I get a lot of people from Southern Ohio because Kentucky or Athens is the closest one that way.
Yeah.
And then Columbus, Circleville doesn't have one anymore. Courthouse doesn't. Athens, I think, has 3,
Okay.
which is college town.
Yeah. So you obviously sell bikes, work on bikes. Tell us a little bit about what people would expect if they want to come in and check you out.
Yeah, we sell them. We repair them. We repair any brand. I mean, we get a lot of those phone calls. Do you work on this bike or that bike? A bike's a bike. They all got Shimano or SRAM components on it. It's just a different sticker on the front, basically.
Yeah.
You go out to Great Seal, where I ride mountain bikes, so Great Seal, any given time out there, you'll see 1 to 25 people
Okay.
ride. It's really gotten popular out there.
Well, we appreciate you sharing your story today, Jamie, and Rivers Bend. I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's a cool shop, and it's definitely an asset to our community. So thank you for joining us.
Yep, thanks for coming. Appreciate it.